Ibondioma. So yesterday I was in the office with my laptop that I also used in Nigeria, and I found something inside my computer. Here, right here. Don't know if you can see it. In between this line, hiding behind there was some Ukwa. This Ukwa that has been there maybe since what time? When did we leave? August last year. This Ukwa has been hiding there. Wow, I've been eating Ukwa while working in Nigeria. This one traveled with me to Europe without visa, without anything. Just enter Swiss. Hiding inside my computer, watching my every movement. Do you know what I did? I ate it. I don't care if you're 1 year old or 3 years old. Once it's Ukwa, I go chop you finish. Don't come and hide in my computer again.